1 in 4 seniors falls each year. A single fall can change your life. But here's the good news. Most falls are preventable. Here are 7 simple tips to keep you safe at home. Hello, I'm your senior health expert. Falls are the leading cause of injury for seniors. They can lead to broken bones, loss of independence, and fear. But you don't have to live in fear. These 7 tips are easy, inexpensive, and could save your life. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, remove trip hazards. Look at your floors. Are there loose rugs? Electric cords? Clutter? These are all trip hazards. Remove loose rugs or secure them with double-sided tape. Tuck cords against walls. Keep walkways clear. Walk through your home with fresh eyes and remove anything that could make you stumble. Number 2, improve lighting. Poor lighting makes it hard to see obstacles. Install brighter light bulbs. Use night lights in hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Put a lamp within reach of your bed. Turn on lights before walking around at night. If you can't see clearly, you're more likely to fall. Number 3, install grab bars. The bathroom is the most dangerous room in the house. Install grab bars next to your toilet and in your shower or tub. Not towel racks. Those aren't strong enough. Grab bars give you something to hold on to when you feel unsteady. They're inexpensive and could prevent a serious fall. Number 4, use non-slip mats. Wet floors are slippery. Put non-slip mats in your shower or tub. Also place one outside the shower. In the kitchen, use a non-slip mat near the sink and stove. These mats cost very little and add traction where you need it most. Walking around in socks or loose slippers is dangerous. Wear shoes or slippers with non-slip soles. Make sure they fit well and support your feet. Avoid high heels, smooth leather soles, or flip-flops. Good footwear gives you stability, keep items within reach. Don't climb on chairs or stools to reach high shelves. Move frequently used items to lower cabinets, waist level or below. Use a reaching tool for high objects. Keep a phone within reach of your bed and favorite chair. If you fall, you need to call for help. Number 7, exercise for balance. Strong legs and good balance prevent falls. Simple exercises like standing on one foot, heel-to-toe walking, or Tai Chi improve your balance. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Ask your doctor about safe exercises for your fitness level. Here's a bonus tip. Get your eyes and ears checked regularly. Poor vision and hearing loss increase your fall risk. Update your glasses prescription. Clean your hearing aids. If you can't see or hear obstacles, you can't avoid them. Falls are not a normal part of aging. Remove trip hazards, improve lighting, install grab bars, use non-slip mats, wear proper footwear, keep items within reach, and exercise for balance. These 7 tips keep you safe. If this video helped you, subscribe for more senior health tips. Share this with someone who worries about falling. Thank you for watching, and stay safe on your feet.